Hey everybody, it's Andy Barrar, Handy Andy from handyandymedia.com. Today I'm doing a review for Best Buy's blog on the Monster DNA Fit wireless earbuds. Now these earbuds feature these integrated ear hooks that wrap around the ear, and they're primarily catered to people who are active and need earbuds that can stay in place. Are they any good? Well folks, we're about to find out. So let's start at the unboxing because this is when I was really impressed. The Monster DNA Fit comes with 12 pairs of ear tips. So it doesn't matter what size of ears that you have, you're going to be able to find the right tip. Now, it does come with the medium pair that's already in and then 11 additional tips, along with a little pamphlet with the QR code to download the Monster app, some stickers. You got some stickers from Monster and also the instruction manual. So very, very interesting. I haven't seen earbuds that came with that many tips. Very unique design about the Monster DNA Fit is with that ear hook. You'll notice that it wraps around the ear. Typically the ones that I see, they kind of hook inside the ear, and there is that one button, but there's two rocker buttons. So there's one button on the one end and another button on the other end. So that's how you can adjust the volume and such with the DNA Fit. As you'll notice that they are quite big, so they do fit secure, but they do take a lot of real estate in your ear, and I'm going to demonstrate how to put it on. And the reason I was trying to do this right now is I want to see if I can put them on with just one hand, because there might be an event or moment where you have something in your hand and you want to be able to get the ears tips on. You're going to be able to do that, but again, it does take a little bit of real estate. You can kind of definitely see them when they're in the ear, and if you want to function them, you can tap the Monster button to stop and start music, and then you press the top button to change the volume up and down. It takes a little bit to get used to. You're kind of used to like two buttons, volume up and down, but they're on each side. It's a rocker button, so on each side the buttons are there, so it takes a little bit of time to get used to, but once they're in, boy, are they secure. They don't want to move inside your ear. I was actually quite impressed with just how secure it was that I wanted to try it on my jump rope pad. So the following morning, this is about 5:30 in the morning, I went outside and I put them on. I wanted to see how they function because I jump rope every morning. I wanted to see, will they come out, especially when I do some higher and more advanced moves like double unders and such, where your head can, move quickly up and down, but I didn't have any issues. Here I'm trying to do all the different kind of standard moves that I do to warm up, and I didn't have any issues. In fact, these are probably the most secure earbuds that I've ever used. I don't even think it's possible for them to come out. With the other earbuds, usually at some point one of them is going to fall out. But in this case, even here, doing the double unders, this is when something would fall out, but nothing. So I'm going to try it again. Just for context, I've never been able to pull this sequence together, and the first time I did it was on camera while I was reviewing this earbud, so I was pretty happy. Now I know I can actually do that sequence. But again, I didn't have to worry about the DNA Fit falling out. They are probably the most secure earbuds I have ever put on. In terms of the sound quality, I would say it's not something that you would write home about, but if you're someone that's active, whether you're running or exercising at the gym, these are going to do exactly what you want it to do. Conventional pop music will sound good, but if you're an audiophile, certainly there will be better earbuds out there that sound better. The only issues I guess I have is the large size. I wish they kind of were just a little bit smaller, especially on the outside where that triangle look is, because it really shows in your ear, and I'll show you that in just a bit. But if you're an active person, if you're running all the time, if you're a jump rope lover like I am, something like this is going to be good. However, you'll notice that the case is really big. It's not something you're going to fit inside your pocket. So this is why I think this is the kind of earbuds that you want as an accessory to your gym bag. So you might have a different pair of earbuds that you use towards the day, but these ones you might just use when you're out and being super active. And I mentioned that they take a lot of space in your ear, and look at that. Like that, is that really something you want to be wearing, going grocery shopping and such? I think in the gym, it makes a lot of sense. People know that you have earbuds. They won't bug you. But they do take a lot of space, but boy, do they fit well. That ear hook does a really good job. I was really impressed that it was staying in put while I was jumping rope. Anyways, folks, I hope you enjoyed this review of the DNA Fit. If you did, please like, subscribe, and leave your comments below. If you want more information about me, you can go to my website, handyandymedia.com. Once again, this is Andy Barrar, Handy Andy, signing out.